I was born and raised on the south side of Chicago, where most people consider this the Wild Hundreds, and this is the house that I grew up in. Me and my siblings were raised by a single mother. We really didn't have much. I remember back in the day when we used to go to the store and we used to have to pick and choose, should we get bologna or should we get hot dogs? So most definitely we picked bologna because there was more pieces of meat in the package. We didn't know we really didn't have much because it wasn't that much to compare it to. Because everyone around here had the exact same thing, so we all felt like we were doing okay. So I remember having to help my mother out. I had to work multiple jobs. I had to work at, my first job was Hollywood Video, and I was working at a pet shop in Roseland, Foot Locker. I used to cut grass to help my mom. I had to do whatever it takes to help with all of us. It was a store on the corner that allowed us to get food on credit. I remember my mother used to write everything we needed on a piece of paper, and she would put credit on the bottom. I would take the paper down the street, they would give us all of the items, and then once my mother got her food stamps at the beginning of the month, they would allow us to pay them back. We had no car. I remember going to the laundromat 4 to 5 blocks with those big old bags on me and my mother's back. And she was stronger than me, so she had to carry most of the weight. I remember it like it was yesterday. April 23rd, 2009. I got a call from one of my friends telling me my mother had passed out. I rushed to her job. Last thing she said to me was, go get me Pepsi and some ice. Unfortunately, that was the last time I talked to my mother. After my mother passed away, I had to figure life out. Imagine having a GPS and all of a sudden the GPS stopped working, and that's how my life went. My mother poured it to me. She taught me everything that I knew. That was the worst part of my life. And what's so crazy is a few months later, my little brother gets shot multiple times. So now I was like a lost sheep. So I needed to find a way out. And unfortunately, I was stuck in my neighborhood because of my credit. Losing my mother and my little brother being shot multiple times pushed me to really want to get out of the neighborhood that I grew up in. I didn't understand how important credit was until I was denied multiple times an opportunity to get away from the neighborhood that I grew up in. Unfortunately, in our school system, we are not taught financial literacy, and we're not taught anything about credit. So I had to learn the hard way. I had to figure things out on my own. Knowledge is power, but applied knowledge is dangerous. One of my goals in life is to teach others everything that I know. I honestly believe that's what I was called to do. Look, I'm not selfish. I want to see everybody win. I don't care about your criminal history, your background. My goal in life is to help everyone. So let's win together. I don't think that people realize how important credit is. It can stop you from getting your dream car, dream house, or apartment. Dream job, yes, your dream job. That's how powerful credit is. Look, I have all the information that you need that can help you get your life together. Check the details below. Or if you want to assist me helping others to get their life together, you too can check the details below. Either way, I'll talk to you guys soon. See you at the top. Knowledge is power, but applied knowledge is dangerous.